I've got my hands on these two amazing eyeshadow palettes. I couldn't decide which one I wanted to use, so today we're using both of them. I'm starting off the eye look with this 24-hour eye base. I'm taking that all over my eyelid with my finger. This is my first time trying this product, but I've heard amazing things about it. Starting off with the Ethereal palette, I'm taking this brown shade here, taking that on a fluffy brush, and I'm working that right through my crease. Already I can see that the shadow is going on really nice and smooth. So far I'm liking this eyeshadow base. I'm going back in and mixing a little bit of this warmer brown shade. I like to layer some of the colors together because it gives a really nice dimension. Let's take this shade right here. I'm going right in the inner corner and I'm putting just a little bit on that outer corner there. I'm leaving the middle blank because that's where we're gonna go in with one of the shimmery shades from the palette. I'm going in with the darkest shade from the palette, taking a more precise pencil brush, creating kind of like a V shape just in that outer corner. Keep building color until you're happy with the way that it looks. Moving on to the Norvina palette, I'm taking the black shade from the palette. I just want to intensify the outer corner a little bit. Using a pencil brush, I'm just patting that in the same area where we applied that dark brown eyeshadow. Now that I'm happy with the intensity, I'm going back in with the Makeup by Mario palette. I'm gonna add a little bit of shimmer. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm taking that on a flat synthetic brush. And I've heard that these have a lot of fallout. This is one of the reasons why I did my eyes first. I've added a thin layer of gel liner. I'm going in with lots of mascara. Now that I've set my under eyes, I wanna add some brightness to the eye look. I'm gonna be adventurous and go with this shade right here. Let's hope I don't get a lot of fallout. I've taken that color on a pencil brush and I'm just gonna start to apply that generously just to my under eye area. And here is the final makeup look.